Welcome to nononsensebooking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can easily raise a complaint with booking.com, whether you are a host or a traveler on the platform. It is super easy. Once you have booking.com website open on your computer, just scroll towards the bottom section, and this is where you will find the footer of the website. And now you need to click on this option, dispute a resolution. This is under terms and settings. And on the next page, you can choose whether you are making this complaint as a guest or as a partner. If you choose as a partner, you will be asked for different details, like you will need to provide your property ID, and you can choose the topic, what it is about, whether it was a reservation or a financial and invoicing or compliance and fraud and things like that. Whereas when you choose a guest option, you can optionally provide your booking confirmation number. You will need to give your full name, email address, phone number, and there is this option, is this related to Digital Markets Act? This is basically an act in Europe. So if you were not traveling to Europe or traveling from Europe, you can mark this as no. And over here, you can type in your message, and they're pretty quick in getting back to you when you raise a complaint from this screen. And the same options you will find from booking.com website on your phone as well. So feel free to use your phone if that's more convenient for you. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.